Welcome to Review Time, where today we're diving into one of the most iconic muscle cars ever to roar across American roads, the legendary Dodge Charger. 1969, this car isn't just a machine. It's a cultural symbol, a masterpiece of raw power, bold styling, and unforgettable presence. Whether you know it from classic car shows, drag racing history, or blockbuster movies, the 69 Charger stands in a league of its own. And today we're exploring exactly why it earned that status. The Dodge Charger 1969 arrived during the golden era of muscle cars, a time when automakers were pushing limits to deliver more horsepower, more aggression, and more attitude. At first glance, the 69 Charger commands respect with its wide stance, long body, and those unmistakable hidden headlights that give it a predatory look. The Coke bottle curves running along the sides make the car instantly recognizable, and the split grille adds a bold finishing touch. Even standing still, the Charger looks like it wants to race the wind. Once you slide under the hood, the real excitement begins. This beast came with multiple engine options, but the stars of the show were the 440, Magnum V8, and the iconic 426 Hemi. These engines didn't whisper, they roared. With the Hemi version pushing out serious horsepower, the Charger 1969 became a street legend, known for blistering acceleration and heart-pounding performance. It offered pure, unfiltered driving energy, the kind modern engines rarely capture. Inside, the Charger gave drivers a blend of comfort and muscle. The cockpit-style dashboard surrounded the driver with easy-to-read gauges. The bucket seats held you firmly during every pull, and the spacious interior made the car perfect not just for racing, but for cruising long American highways. It wasn't just fast, it was fun, comfortable, and stylish. One of the reasons the 69 Charger remains so beloved is its dominance in pop culture. From the Dukes of Hazzard to the Fast and the Furious franchise, this car has appeared again and again as a symbol of rebellion, speed, and unstoppable power. Every appearance made it even more famous, cementing its status as one of the greatest muscle cars ever built. Today, the Dodge Charger 1969 is a dream car for collectors. Restored models fetch high prices, and enthusiasts around the world continue to keep this icon alive. Its design, performance, and emotional impact still inspire new generations of car lovers. So if you're a fan of American muscle, the Dodge Charger 1969 is a car you simply can't ignore. It's a legend built on power, style, and timeless attitude. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Review. Time for more deep dives into the world's most iconic vehicles. Your support helps us bring more classic machines back into the spotlight. See you in the next video.